Have you ever thought about the possibility that the place you live could exactly pay your bills? What if one extra bedroom in your home could bring in four figures a month? For many retirees and expats, this is not a dream. It is already happening. There is documentation to prove it. I'm Sandy Ingram, the publisher of the Budget Retirement Options channel. In this video, we are talking about income ideas for retirees. This is the second video in the series. It's called the Rent a Room Side Hustle. And for thousands of people, it has become one of the simplest ways to reduce living expenses or even live rent-free. The idea is simple. Instead of letting a spare bedroom sit empty, rent it to someone who needs a place to stay. That person could be a traveler, a student, a remote worker, or someone relocating to the area. And the income from that one bedroom can create a steady monthly cash flow. In many cities around the world, Airbnb says hosts earn around $1,700 per month on average in their first year. Some earn less, some earn more. But the key idea is the same. Your home can become a small income-producing asset. A business asset with legal tax deductions to lower your taxes. It is usually better to file your U.S. taxes using a Schedule C rather than a Schedule D, but talk to your tax professional. You do not need to own a large house to make this work. You do not even have to own the property. Many people rent out a room in a small apartment. Others share part of their home with long-term renters. And some retirees even move to desirable locations where travelers regularly need affordable rooms. The strategy works because the global travel economy is huge. Millions of people are moving around the world every day. They need places to stay. Hotels are often expensive, and many travelers prefer staying in a home environment. That creates an opportunity for ordinary people to earn income from the space they already have. But this is where many beginners make mistakes. They think renting out a room is as simple as posting an ad online. In reality, successful hosts follow a system. They understand how to price their room correctly. They know how to attract the right guest. And they take steps to protect their property, privacy, and your safety. This is exactly what the book, Rent a Room Income Side Hustle, Airbnb Lifestyle explains. It walks readers through the real steps used by successful hosts. You learn how to turn unused space into reliable income. You discover simple decor techniques that increase bookings without spending a lot of money. You learn guest screening strategies to avoid problems. And you learn about insurance, liability, and safety basics every host should understand. The book also explains research tools that help you understand your local rental market. This is important because prices vary widely from city to city. What works in one location may not work in another, but the principle stays the same. Unused space can become a financial asset. For retirees, this strategy can be especially powerful. It can help cover housing costs. It can offset rising living expenses. Some retirees use the income to travel more. Others use it to strengthen their retirement savings. And some simply enjoy the extra financial breathing room. Now, it is important to say this clearly. This is not, and I repeat, this is not a get-rich-quick idea. It requires planning. It requires understanding your local laws. And unfortunately, it's best if you like people. And it requires treating the activity like a small business. But when done correctly, it can become a steady and reliable side income. This is why the rent-a-room strategy is sometimes called house hacking. You are using the space you already have to improve your financial situation. If you would like to learn the full step-by-step process, the book Rent-A-Room Income, Side Hustles, Airbnb Lifestyles explains everything in detail. You will find the link in the description below. I'm a retired digital nomad from Northern California. At the time this video was published, I was overlooking the Black Sea in Eurasia, or as they call it, Eastern Europe. My rent is less than $500 a month. This series that I'm talking to you about explains practical income ideas for retirees, expats, and anyone looking for financial flexibility after age 50. I personally supplemented my retirement income online. I like overlooking the Atlantic, Pacific, or Caribbean oceans while I work. I feel less alone, more engaged with my work. I personally rented condos overlooking the Banderas Bay in Puerto Vallarta. My business partner and I earned a substantial income renting out condos of local owners who did not have a computer. My relationship with my partner went sour. He decided to return to his previous relationship. And I couldn't figure out if the loss, the pain that I felt was from the loss of him or the money that upset me so. So I know for a fact that this is a solid business model. We rented the condos through Airbnb, where renters are already pre-screened and already have verified their ID.